So, how Purpose works whilst doing 3D modeling. These are all the softwares. This is just what I wanted to talk about. This is something that I've struggled a lot with because 3D modeling has never really stuck out to me, right? So, finding this as my purpose hasn't really been easy. Now, the thing is, there is always the factor of like change in this kind of model or area. So, I just wanted to explain stuff about that. So, intro. Due to the complexities behind it, no one on the internet really explains the ideas behind chasing this path. So someone had to. There are many people already on this path on to mastery in this specific area. My personal goal is to reach 100 quality 3D models by the end of 2025. If you're just starting out with modeling, then I would recommend staying away from financial goals. So this is a guy that I've talked to in distant future. So distant past, sorry, distant future. This video is the second revision. I've already posted another video just like this to my YouTube, which I'm gonna set as unlisted because it was just garbage. The audio was terrible. The video wasn't that great. And now I'm recording on a new laptop, so hopefully it's gonna be better. First off, a lot of people don't understand what purpose is. Purpose is a deep, undeniable mission that fuels your actions and gives meaning to your struggles, mastering a fulfilling skill for you where you can serve others and not take away from them. If you want a more hardcore definition, purpose is your reason for existence. Is 3D modeling your purpose? Ask this from yourself. Does 3D modeling call out to you? Does something else call out to you? To find out, pause the video and stare at a single point of a wall for an hour until an idea comes into your head. Try different things over the course of months or years until something comes around that you like. Now, this is the method that I tried, right? I've wasted 3 or 2 years trying things that I could like and have come to this conclusion. If 3D modeling isn't your purpose, it might serve you more to click off this video right now and watch a video that is more related to your specific path in life. How to make sure you succeed or at least increase your chances. Right, so this is quite important. So Hamza Ahmed's Full Mental Health Guide for Men. Um, it- some people think it was a bit cringe. There are other ways to get this information, but this is just what worked for me, right? And this is what keeps working for me to this day. Watch this full video on full screen without clicking away, looking at comments, hands off the computer and mouse, and the links will be in the description below. You want to generate a livable income per month using this stream? What does it take? In a couple of months, you'll be on track to making a life away from the workplace or the entrapment of your school absolutely possible. However, as stated earlier, you have to find 3D modeling a fulfilling task, meaning that it will 100% get hard at times. During these times, you're unallowed to switch what model you are going through with. You'll have to create models on your own, even without the request of a client. You may have to post on social media. You will have to follow lots of different tutorials to learn new things, and you will have to have patience. You'll want to follow this guide on 3D modeling. This is um Blender Guru's full course on 3D modeling, and this will definitely help you out on getting started in this area. When you learn something new, another man's progress looks like this, where the model he's following is completely different, but yours will look like this. This is due to the complexity of 3D modeling and how much knowledge different tutorials give you. No one starts out perfect, everyone starts out as an unrefined cube, but as we gain experience, we gain vertices, faces, and edges. Everyone starts out as a rock block, which eventually goes into the carving process, followed by adding the details and then the final render. My path towards mastery is still a work in progress, but I'm getting there. Thank you for watching. You can have a donut. That's the end.